Here are a few essential tips when working with Claritee. So the first tip that I want to give you is to really get specific with your AI prompts. So this is especially important when it comes to the layouts that you're going to make. It's a little more forgiving when you generate the sitemap with AI. And to do that, you just do new project, generate with AI, give your project a name, click start, and then you'll have a prompt that you can enter to actually create your sitemap. So once that sitemap's set, it's very easy to make changes. So I'm going to focus less on that part of it. But once you have that sitemap created, when you're going to be creating your page itself, I strongly recommend to really make sure that you have very specific prompts. So for example, I like to go section by section. So I'll create a few sections here to start. And this is going to be a news and updates page. Let's say it's for a tech agency. So when I use AI, I go section by section and I describe what I need. So instead of just saying something like hero section for a tech agency news page, that's going to give me very imprecise results. So it would be much better to give some more specificity. So for example, maybe my tech agency could be focused on, for example, implementing AI for mid-size tech companies. And when I talk about the news page, maybe I want to talk about trends over AI into the future. And even better is if I have some sort of positioning or specific copy requirements for my writing. So for example, I might say something like copy you can use is #1 source for tech leadership news for growing mid-size companies. And maybe I'll say keep all copy in line with that theme and keep it poignant, factual, and technical, not flowery language. So by giving information like this, I'm going to get much better results with the AI system.